So hello guys, in this video guys we are going to learn how to add a photo on a review on Etsy website. So guys, for that first of all you'll have to open any web browser and then search for etsy.com. So guys, after coming on their website you guys will have to log into your account, and after that guys you guys can able to see this option right here called your account, and after clicking on that you guys can able to see a bunch of options right here, and now you just have to click on the first one that says purchases and reviews. Now clicking on that you guys will get transferred to this page, and guys for me I have no purchases for now, but you guys will definitely have some. And if you want to edit a photo in a review for a particular order, then you guys will have to select that particular order, and after that you guys can able to see an option called edit review. Now guys, you have to click on that button, and after that you guys can see an option called add photo, and after clicking on that button guys, now you guys can able to add a photo on a review on Etsy website. So that's how you guys will do it. So that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then please subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.